If you want to remove a payment method from your Facebook account, follow these simple steps to ensure your financial information is updated. Step 1. Open Facebook app or website. Log into your Facebook account using the app on your mobile device or through a web browser on your computer. Step 2. Go to Settings. Navigate to the Settings menu. On the app, tap on the 3 horizontal lines menu in the bottom right corner, then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. On the website, click the downward arrow in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Step 3. Access payment settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments option. This may be found under the Account Settings section. Click on it to view your payment methods. Step 4. Select payment method. You will see a list of your saved payment methods. Choose the payment method you want to remove by clicking on it. Step 5. Remove payment method. Once you have selected the payment method, look for the option to remove or delete it. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the payment method is successfully removed. After following these steps, your selected payment method will be removed from your Facebook account. If you have any issues, consider checking Facebook's Help Center for further assistance.